Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for end of January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will definitely really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aquarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy until now throughout the end of January 2021. Aquarius, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Aquarius, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your energies, both of you. So on this side here Aquarius will be your energy, and on this side here will be your person energy. Now let's begin with the sign that I'm getting here. I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here, Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart here. Looking at your energy here Aquarius, I've got the Knight of Wands, I've got the Judgment coming up here, and I've also got the Three of Swords coming up here as well. So I'm getting like a very strong heartbreak energy, or just feeling sad in general, I would say here Aquarius. So I feel like this separation, or at least this no communication period between you and your person have been affecting you quite heavily here with this Three of Swords energy. You do understand about the divine intervention, and you do understand that everything is definitely going to happen in the divine timing, but with this waiting period, I do feel like some of you have been thinking like how much longer should you have been waiting here, because we're just coming into the year of 2021, like new year, new me, new beginning. So you're kind of like hoping or expecting that this year is going to be, at least beginning of this year is going to be a massive turnout when it comes into your relationship with your person, when it comes into your twin flame and soulmate connection here. But somehow you're just like seeing things haven't changed a bit, so you kind of like having a lot of conflicted energy, I would say here, frustration and irritation as well. So this is what giving you this Three of Swords energy or the heartbreak energy. So you definitely kind of like that, how long am I supposed to be waiting? Like why am I not hearing anything? Why why nothing is happening at this point of time? So there are a lot of questions like why energy coming out within yourself here Aquarius. I've also got the Knight of Wands energy coming up here. So you are trying as much as you can, try to not focus on this connection, trying to not focus on this waiting period here. You're trying to focus so much, onto yourself, like what are the things that you need to do, what are the things that you can improve your life here. So you're like trying to work on yourself, focusing on your career, focusing on just basically on yourself here, how to improve yourself mentally, emotionally and physically. Some of you might be hitting gyms, or just trying to be bettering up yourself here, doing a lot of exercises, eating healthy here. But again, it's like one day you can be feeling like, of course you are already in this energy of acceptance here, like you're already in this energy of surrender, like you know that things are definitely going to happen at the right timing, when the timing is right here. But you can, you also cannot deny the heartbreak energy, you also cannot deny the sadness within yourself here, that longing energy, I would say. And the overall energy that I've got here is that the Four of Wands energy coming up for you. So try to not have any doubt, and try to not let your fear controlling you here Aquarius, because this Four of Wands energy is definitely a very strong indication that the union between both of you is definitely going to happen. The Four of Wands is also my personal twin flame card, so this is definitely 100% your true twin flame or your true divine counterpart energy here. Now looking at your person energy, I've got the Oak King, the High Priestess, and I've also got the Eight of Wands coming up here. with the overall energy, the Six of Wands coming up here as well. So let's begin with the Oak King coming up here. The first thing that I'm getting from your person here is that they're kind of like feeling a little bit imbalanced energy coming up here, Aquarius. So as you can see here, this man is hanging upside down. So it's like your person is almost in that same position here. They are a little bit of, I won't say hesitation, but they're kind of like having a little bit of like back and forth energy, like trying to control themselves here. And at this point of time, as you can see here, there is also a very strong moon energy. So the full moon and the new moon in this one is also going to be having a huge significant impact on your person here, especially with this high priestess. So I feel like during the new moon and the upcoming full moon here, your person is going to get a lot of insight here. Like their intuition is going to be quite on point in this particular time, and this intuition will be telling them about the connection between both of you here. They might not know about the label, they might not know that this is a twin flame or soulmate connection, but they will coming up into this particular point of view here in this particular place that there is something like they're finally no longer going to run away with the connection, in a sense that they're finally going to accept like there is definitely a very strong soul connection between you and them here. Like they're finally going to accept on that part, and this is where a change will be coming out within themselves here. And the firstly here is that within their intuition, within their gut feelings. And with this Oak King energy, this is also talking about surrender, a very strong surrender energy coming up from both of your energy here, Aquarius. The thing here is that you've already come to the place of surrender. You've already understanding, okay, things are definitely going to happen in the divine timing. So you are no longer having any control on anything in your life. I mean, like in this particular situation, you've already surrendering, you're already releasing all those expectations here. Now your person hasn't come into that particular point of view yet. I mean, like hasn't come into that particular point, and this is what causing them to have this imbalance energy. This is what causing them to, like to be imbalanced within themselves, because they are having conflict within the intuition and within the ego. This is what making them to feel imbalanced, and this is where the surrendering energy coming up during the new moon and the full moon energy here. They're finally going to let go of those ego. At least they're finally no longer going to deny the existence of this connection, the existence of these feelings within themselves, like this emotional turmoil within themselves when it comes into both of your relationship, when it comes out into both of your connection here, Aquarius, which is also I've got the Eight of Wands. They finally, as you can see here with this picture, like this lady is just laying one by one here. So this is how they're actually going to approach this situation and this connection between both of you, in a sense that they're finally going to, like I said, stopping, like no longer going to run, and this is causing them to reprioritize everything in their life here. Like they're going to study, they're going to like reminiscing of all things in the past year. Some of them might even be rereading the messages from you. Some of them might also be thinking, okay, this is how I've treated them here, and I know I'm wrong. I should actually apologize. So expect some sort of messages and some sort of a communication to happen from your person here. I would say maximum during the full moon energy, I would say here, because the Eight of Wands is also talking about the communication is going to happen between both of you. So there are definitely going to be a massive communication energy coming up for you here, Aquarius, from your person before the end of January 2021. And overall energy that I've got here, I've got the Six of Wands talking about victorious outcome and positive outcome here. So yeah, there are definitely a lot of challenges that both you and your person have been facing all this time, but this is finally the time that here both of you are going to be successful, I would say here, coming out into the union, having a successful and happy union here, Aquarius. So that's it for your energy. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.